Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to learn how you can redirect. So I'm going to explain you how you can redirect from any page. So suppose when a user click profiles, so he should redirect to home page. So how we can implement this with the React router now we will see. Okay, so let's jump into the VS Code and see the implementation to redirect user whenever user click profile to home page. Okay, so as you can see, I have done some basic setup for to implement the route. I have some component home, post, profile, contact. So here I have some component, basic component to show the different pages with the route, and these are the route. Okay, so we are going to implement a route whenever user click on profiles, how he will be redirect to the home page. So let's implement this one. So you need redirect here from react.com, and this is the one way. I will show you other way as well. So it accepts from where we have to redirect. So we have to redirect from profile whenever user click on profile, and where to navigate. So we can give home page. So home, so our home route is registered with just slash. Okay, so let's see this way is working or not. So I'm reloading the page, and I'm here on post, and now the moment I click on profile, it redirects me to the home page, and all other routes working as it is. And again, if you go to profile, it will redirect to your home page. Okay. So in order to work with a redirect in a React Automa, so you have to put this at the top. If you put down here, so it won't work, because we are using this H. Okay, so it will go from top to bottom, and the moment it will match, it will stop looking other route. So it will never look this uh, redirect route. So this way it won't work. Okay, so you have to put redirect at the top. Okay, so this is the one way to implement the redirect in a React application. So there is another way. So I am going to profile component. Okay, and I will use, so you can do here as well. So, and I will create one function like redirect user. Okay, and I am giving one variable user redirect equal to true. If user redirect, then return the redirect. That's it. Okay, so this is the another way to implement the redirect in your application. So you can just call this function here. So let's see this way it is working or not. Okay, so I am on home page, post page, and profile. So you can see here we are again able to redirect with this approach as well. So you can use this approach as well, and there is another approach So since this route is registered, so we can use history dot push. Okay, so let's just me show you. Okay, console. Okay, so for now I will comment this one and I will comment this one. Okay, okay, I will show you the console log. So we have access to this history. So in that we can use that history dot push. Okay, to change the route. Okay, so that way also we can implement the redirect functionality. Okay, so let's just see how we can do that one. Okay, so I will just uncomment this one and this code I will comment, and you can do props dot history. Okay, and I will add one button here and click redirect user, and I will give that button name redirect. Okay, so this is the another way to redirect. Okay, so I am on profile, and the moment you click on it redirect button, it redirect to home page. So this is the another way you can implement the redirect functionality. Okay, you can make this a little bit smaller, so you can destructure history here as well. So you don't need to write prop.history.push. You can directly write this way also history.push. So this way also it work. Okay, so you can see redirect is working. Okay, so this approach is only work when the route is registered. So since the profile component is registered with the route, so that's why I am able to destructure the history prop. Okay, so it won't work if your route is not registered. So you can go with that also. Okay, so I think we have one another approach here. Use history you can go. So with use history you can also do the same thing. So this this work when your route is not registered. In case if your route is not registered, then you can use history hooks from the React router and DOM. Okay, so you can do something like this. Let history equal to use history. Okay, so this way also you can redirect if your route is not registered. Okay, let's see profile and redirect. So you are able to redirect with the use history hooks as well. So in this video we have saw a different way to implement the redirect in your React application with the help of React Router DOM. So I hope you understand the concept of redirect in a React application. And if you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe the channel as well if you like my work and content. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.